Here's the AI tool that makes your ads look like $1 million production, without the budget. Yeah, I said it. No massive crew, no expensive studio, no six-figure agency retainer. Just you, your idea, and an AI that actually knows what it's doing. Synthetic AI Commercial is changing the way brands create video ads from the ground up. We're talking professional-grade visuals that stop the scroll before the first second is over. The kind of content that makes people think you hired a whole production team. But here's the truth. You didn't. You just worked smarter than everyone else. Every frame is generated with intention. Every scene built to convert, not just look pretty. Because looking good is easy. Looking good and selling something. That's the real flex. Synthetic AI understands your brand voice and translates it into visuals that actually fit. No more generic stock footage that screams low effort. No more awkward B-roll that kills the vibe. This tool builds scenes that feel custom, feel premium, and feel like you made it on purpose. And the speed? Forget waiting weeks for a production house to deliver a rough cut. You can go from concept to finished commercial in a fraction of the time. Seriously. While your competitors are still in pre-production, you're already running your campaign. That's not just an advantage. That's a full lap ahead before they even tie their shoes. And let's talk about cost, because this is where it gets really interesting. Traditional ad production can run you tens of thousands of dollars for a single spot. Synthetic AI brings that number down dramatically without touching the quality ceiling. Small businesses, solo creators, startups, this levels the playing field completely. You no longer need a big budget to look like a big brand. That era is officially over. The tool adapts to your product, your audience, and the platform you're targeting. Whether it's a punchy 15-second clip or a full narrative ad, it handles both with ease. It's not just generating content. It's generating content that performs in the real world. Backed by data, trained on what actually works, and built to drive real results for real people. You get the polish of a Hollywood-style production with the agility of a one-person team. That combination used to be impossible. Now it's just Tuesday for synthetic AI users. And the learning curve? Basically flat. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use this. If you can describe your idea, synthetic AI can bring it to life. It's genuinely that simple. No complicated software, no design degree required, just your vision and a few clicks. This is the tool that creative directors wish they had 10 years ago. Now you have it today. Every ad you make with synthetic AI is a chance to outshine brands with 10 times your budget. And once your audience sees that quality, they're not going back to whatever came before. So if you've been waiting for the right moment to level up your content, this is that moment. Try Synthetic AI Commercial and create your first ad today. Your brand deserves to look this good. Because the best time to make ads that actually work was yesterday. The second best time is now.